Right.
Hey ladies and gentlemen, today we're pulled out for a bee swarm. David, take a picture of that bee swarm right there. Go closer. Up in that tree. And we're going to try to get them into this box nice and slowly without too much of a fuss. And we're hoping that the bees will like this new house more than this tree.
You want to move it over a little bit?
Can't get it because the lilac tree is there, but we're gonna see if we could coax them in a little bit.
Ooh, Patsy. Okay.
Bring them down.
Okay, it's landing on me. Okay, fine. Go for it.
I'm not gonna shake them. Okay.
My bad.
Hang on a second. I'm just holding stuff. We're gonna see if we can get the bees to kind of walk in themselves.
Mm-hmm.
Got the queen catch in. Oh, I got it. And maybe we might even see the queen come soon. But if you look closely now, you'll see they're getting excited about the house. It's starting to fan.
Got a good sun now.
There we go. It's a nice size swarm.
They're starting to
As
move
they start
down.
learning that this is a new house for them, you're going to see them slowly coming
wow.
into the hive. There we go. You can see them not getting excited about it. Really starting to make a little noise here.
Okay, looking good. Bring it down closer, could you? Yeah, it's working out.
They're gonna, we could take care of the box. You can see they're slowly moving in. It's gonna take a couple of minutes here. Until the whole box will be covered with bees. Because it is a large swarm. But we'd rather them do it on their own than us shaking them into the box.
Looking good.
As they realize this is a good house, you'll hear their fanning much louder. I can hear it, picking up sound. Take a couple minutes down there. Just focus on the bees. And they're slowly marching in.
The focus died. Can you push it? There you go. We're gonna start fanning on the box. Alright. It's pretty cool. Are you going?
I've got a hand to.
You're gonna let it go in? You're gonna drop it?
Alright,
I think it's good the way it is.
stop now.
Okay, I don't know how, but you'll
Push the red.
you push it because my gloves don't work.
Take a few gloves, nothing wrong. We're good. We're not gonna